Transform your living space into a cozy retreat of comfort and style. The best oversized chair offers generous cushioning, luxurious fabric, and exceptional support, making it perfect for reading, lounging, or simply relaxing after a long day in absolute comfort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Howjoe Oversized Chair. The Howjoe Oversized Chair combines modern style with everyday comfort, making it a standout addition to any living room, bedroom, or study. Designed with an elegant arched backrest and gracefully curved armrests, this chair's clean lines and minimalist charm elevate any interior decor. Built to last, its sturdy frame, crafted from durable wood and reinforced iron, ensures both stability and longevity. The plush, high-density foam padding in the seat, backrest, and armrests delivers exceptional comfort and support for long sitting sessions, perfect for reading, lounging, or simply relaxing after a long day in absolute comfort. Measuring 38.58 inches wide and 33.07 inches deep, this generously sized accent chair accommodates various body types and supports up to 400 pounds, ensuring a secure seating experience. Upholstered in luxurious chenille fabric, the chair offers a soft, velvety touch that feels cozy while maintaining its visual appeal. The foam-filled cushions and quality spring construction help relieve pressure and minimize fatigue, creating an inviting spot to unwind after a long day. Blending sophistication, comfort, and functionality, the Howjoe Oversized Chair provides a refined yet relaxed seating experience that instantly upgrades your space and invites you to sit back in style.
Number 2. MAXYOYO Oversized Chair. The MAXYOYO Oversized Chair redefines comfort with its creative design and luxurious feel, making it a perfect choice for both modern and casual interiors. Crafted from durable polyester fabric, this oversized beanbag sofa provides a soft, inviting texture that enhances warmth and coziness in any room. Its unique shell-shaped silhouette gives it a stylish edge, blending effortlessly with contemporary, minimalist, or boho decor. Inside, it's filled with high-density base support foam chunks, which not only ensure eco-friendly comfort, but also provide excellent resilience and support. Unlike traditional beanbags, this model effectively reduces noise and vibration, creating a serene environment for reading, gaming, or lounging. Measuring 47 by 43 by 33 inches, the MAXYOYO Oversized Chair offers ample space for adults and kids alike, making it ideal for family rooms or relaxation corners. After unpacking, it takes about 48 hours to fully expand and regain its original shape, ensuring lasting structure and comfort. Its modern design and plush filling make it both functional and visually appealing, while the breathable material maintains freshness and durability over time.
Number 3. ABCASA Oversized Chair. The ABCASA Oversized Chair offers a premium relaxation experience with its advanced features and luxurious design. Built with a dual-motor zero-gravity recline system, it allows independent control of the backrest and footrest, letting you achieve the perfect angle for relaxation and spinal comfort. This thoughtful design reduces pressure on the spine and hips, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both comfort and therapeutic support. The spacious 24.8-inch extra-wide seat provides ample room to stretch out, ensuring comfort for users of all sizes. Crafted with durable PU leather, this chair exudes elegance while remaining practical and easy to clean. A simple wipe keeps it looking pristine. Adding to its appeal are built-in heat and massage functions that help relieve muscle tension and fatigue, transforming your living space into a personal comfort zone. Dual silver cup holders, thickened armrests, and side storage pockets enhance convenience, allowing you to keep essentials within reach. With its combination of plush cushioning, ergonomic design, and modern style, the ABCASA Oversized Chair is perfect for reading, watching TV, or simply unwinding after a long day. It's a complete comfort station designed for both luxury and everyday functionality. Number 4. Furniliving Oversized Chair. The Furniliving oversized chair brings luxury and relaxation together with its beautifully crafted design and exceptional comfort. Upholstered in ultra-soft chenille fabric, this chair exudes warmth and sophistication, instantly creating a cozy atmosphere in your home. Its double-layer cloud lounge seat features 10.6-inch thick cushions filled with high-resilience foam, offering a soft yet supportive feel that contours perfectly to your body. Measuring 33.54 inches deep, it provides generous space for you to unwind, nap, or enjoy quality time with a loved one. The addition of a movable ottoman and 3 plush pillows allows for flexible arrangements. You can use the ottoman as a footrest, a small table, or even an extra seat. Each pillow adds lumbar and arm support for maximum comfort during long lounging sessions. Built with a solid wood frame and heavy-duty inner springs, this oversized chair ensures durability and stability, maintaining its shape and structure over time. Its timeless design pairs effortlessly with modern interiors, while the soft chenille texture enhances the tactile comfort. The Furniliving oversized chair is the perfect blend of elegance and function, offering an inviting retreat that feels like sinking into a cloud. Number 5. TLSUNNY Oversized Chair. The TLSUNNY Oversized Chair combines ergonomic comfort and functional design, making it a versatile choice for relaxation. This lazy chair includes a foldable ottoman footrest that doubles as a shoe stool, along with a handy side pocket to keep your phone, remote, or magazine within reach. Filled with plush PP cotton and supported by a strong steel tube frame, the chair provides superior softness without sacrificing stability. It can comfortably hold up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for most users. The soft headrest and ergonomic backrest design ensure full body support, ideal for reading, lounging, or watching TV. One of its best features is the removable and washable fabric cover, which allows for easy cleaning and maintenance to keep it fresh and inviting. Its sturdy metal framework guarantees long-lasting durability, while the non-slip foot pads protect your floors from scratches. The TLSUNNY oversized chair is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or dorm spaces where comfort and practicality are equally valued. Its thoughtful construction and plush materials create an inviting, cozy atmosphere that encourages rest and relaxation, making it a dependable companion for everyday comfort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.